Hi, I'm Sasan Kasravi with Proteus Debate Academy, and this 2 Minute Tuesday, our topic is hyping up your partner, which is a topic I love. Perception matters a lot in debate, and in most debates, a judge could find a reason to vote for either side, and that's why we see a lot of split decisions and out rounds and very few things like 7-0 wins. Judges tend to vote for the team that A, they like more, and B, they think is supposed to win the round, right? If they think, well, this is supposed to be the better team, if I don't vote for them, it might be perceived like I don't understand what I'm doing, or it's going to be more questioned. So it's if a judge likes you more, or at least thinks you're the more professional, experienced team, that gives you a really sizable edge in the debate. And one of the ways you do that is hype up your partner. So let's talk about it. Hyping up your partner is when you're referring to earlier arguments in the debate or what's going to happen later using your partner's name. So instead of saying, my partner already told you this, you would say something like, in Paul's speech, he mentioned blah, blah, blah. Or Paul came up and told you, or my opponent said this, but Paul's response was. And in addition to using their name, you want to say that they did a really good job. So you would say it like, on the topicality, I think Paul has some really good responses here that have been mishandled by our opponents. And it's important to keep that sort of hyping up going by not interrupting your partner and not contradicting them. And the idea is that the more you sort of hype each other up and have each other's backs, the more fun the round is for the judge to watch. No judge has ever enjoyed a round that none of the debaters enjoyed. But also it makes you look much more like you know what you're doing, and if your opponents are bickering with each other and you two seem on the same page and like you're having a great round, the judge is much more likely to agree with you.